New Light Forward says, what do you think of a large clay pot as the bell? Would it crack? Well, New Light Forward, this is a great question. If you build it yourself, like I shared a tandoori build that somebody did a while ago. I believe his name was Nathan, and it was lovely. And it was a clay pot that he built himself and was not fired. Okay? That clay pot is probably going to be just fine. But if you were to go buy like a clay planting pot that was fired, it's definitely going to crack. And the reason it's going to crack is because of those difference in temperature. The delta is going to create tension across that one piece of clay, and it just won't be able to handle its expansion and contraction, and it will crack. So homemade clay bell, probably going to work okay, especially if you make it thick enough and put some fiber in there to reinforce it. A purchased clay vessel of any type that's fired already is probably not going to work. So take that for what it's worth.